After numerous warnings to Lubigi encroachers proved futile, the National Environment Management Authority (NEMA) has resorted to destroying all the crops and structures that had been established in the wetland. Last evening, over 150 acres of crops were slashed down by NEMA officials, leaving many people in tears.
We spent days digging, but NEMA mercilessly destroys our crops.
This is not good at all. All people are crying and suffering.
Besides the crops, all illegal structures that had been put in the swamp were demolished, while the trenches that had been dug by the encroacher were refilled to allow the wetland vegetation to grow. Over 100 people have been affected by the exercise. However, the village leaders say they do not know the culprits.
The people who cultivate in the wetland are not known. These come from as far as Nalukulongo. They take advantage of the Lubigi land because it is fertile.
Despite the people's outcry, NEMA officials and the Environment Police are not about to give up on the exercise until after the total restoration of the wetland. Evictions, demolitions, arrests as well as prosecutions are to go on.
We are moving in all these areas of Burenga, Chikaya, and we are moving all through the bypass.
In the last 1 month, the enforcement team has arrested over 10 people in connection with the encroachment, and these are to be prosecuted by the end of March. Despite the arrests, Lubigi still faces degradation as many people seek to acquire land for farming and settlement. Lubigi wetland is a water catchment area of Kampala City and areas of Wakiso district. In recent years, the wetland has come under severe strain from human encroachment, destruction of the vegetation by people and government projects like the ongoing construction of the Entebbe Express Highway leading to its degradation. This report was compiled by Rachel Nakiwala.